Guys, welcome back to Texas Mommy. So today, as you can see, we are doing a literal 5-minute cleanup. I was about to run out the door and I realized my kitchen was a mess, so I decided to bring y'all along. I hope y'all enjoy and y'all be motivated from this. And let's get on with the video. As you can tell, we are cleaning our kitchen, so it's just simply putting up our dishes and getting our dishes out of the dishwasher as well, and cleaning the counters.
Sorry ass DJ.
You can get some.
Okay guys, so that is it. I know I didn't get a chance to go ahead and clean out the inside of my sink, but I was in a hurry. I hope y'all enjoyed, and I will see y'all next time. Bye guys, love y'all.